Hello and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So Neeta Ambani, who's the founder of Reliance Foundation, has unanimously been re-elected as the Indian member to the International Olympic Committee. This happened at the 142nd session of the committee in Paris, right before the Paris Olympics. Moving on, retired Justice Alexander Thomas, who acted as the Chief Justice for Kerala High Court, he's been named as the chairperson for the Kerala State Human Rights Commission. Now let's talk about the angel tax. So the Indian government has announced abolishment of this tax officially, Section 56, subsection 2, Clause 8B of the Income Tax Act for all classes of investors. This tax applied to unlisted companies which raise capital through share issuance at prices exceeding their fair market value, with access treated as income and tax at 30.9%. This measure, which was unveiled by the finance minister during the budget session, it aims to bolster startup ecosystem, encourage entrepreneurship and foster innovation across the country. Now let's talk about RBI measure. So the Reserve Bank of India has tightened norms for cash payout services at banks, requiring banks to record name and address of the recipient. This service allows money transfers to the beneficiary without bank accounts. The revised rules, part of RBI's update to the 2011 domestic money rules or framework, will be effective from 1st of November this year. Now let's proceed and cover the international news developments for the day. So we all know how Russia's relationship with the West, it is constantly deteriorating. Amidst the same, Moscow's Square of Europe has been renamed as the Square of Eurasia. Moving on, World Leaders Summit 2024 was recently held at the House of Lords in the UK Parliament, where leaders across the globe, they met and discussed on a key issues like economic inequalities, climate change and technical impact. Next is an update from Philippines. So Typhoon Gaimi, it has caused floods, flight cancellation and school closure in Philippines, especially the capital city Manila and surrounding areas. Next is a space-related update. So Chinese scientists have found traces of water in the lunar soil. This is brought by Chang'e 5 mission of China. Now let's talk about a sports-related update. So top-ranked Jannik Sinner, he is withdrawn from the Paris Olympics due to tonsillitis as advised by his doctors. And lastly, in a major update to the Henley Passport Index, 6 countries, namely France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Singapore and Spain, they are now tied as the top spot for 2024. So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again.